Hey guys, come in close. Come right in close. So tonight it's secret women's business. Imagine if look. Let's be honest here. We all know that perfumes are bad for you. They smell great, but they're bad for you. They're bad for your hormones. But imagine if there was a perfume that you could have which smelled great, which was actually good for you.
Imagine.
That's what we're going to talk about tonight. This is Kim. She's a qualified clinical. What are you? A certified. I'm the certified one. Certified clinical aromatherapist. I hang around with her because she makes me look good. And tonight we are talking about a perfume that not only smells awesome, but it's actually good for you, isn't it?
Yes.
Tell us all about it. It sounds fascinating.
I said that it was a girl's best friend, but technically it's a lady. So like if you've been watching Bridgerton, it's for all the ladies out there. This oil was created to help balance the emotional roller coaster that we go on at that time of the month. Obviously it's for ladies, so that's the first part of the name. But the second part of the name...
But it's really a gift for men, that's what we're saying. Is it?
Well, you probably think
for partners, yeah.
The second part of the name is Sclareol. Now, Sclareol is a key constituent in clary sage. So clary sage, as many of you know, is a single plant. It's purple, it has beautiful purple flowers, similar to lavender, although slightly different colour. And Young Living, has it in a lot of its oils for women. So Sclarescence also gets its name from the Sclareol that is in clary sage, as does Lady Sclareol. So any of those oils help, balance us women at that particular time of the month. So that's kind of the main reason why it's called Lady Sclareol.
Can I smell it? Alrighty.
It's a really, it's good for balancing emotions, okay? So if any of the emotional oils that we've been talking about, they're best diffused, right? And that's because when you actually diffuse them, it goes to the limbic part of the brain where we store our emotions and our memories, okay? So by inhaling it from the bottle or diffusing it, you're going to really stimulate that limbic system, and it's going to help to balance your moods and your emotions. So if you, particularly around that time of the month, feel like you're going crazy, even great for focus. It's one of those blends that does multiple things. So then diffuse this oil. But what I love about this oil is it actually is great to use topically as well. So many women in Young Living use it as their personal perfume. So it's right up there with White Angelica, Valor, Joy, Sensation, Lady Sclareol. But it's particularly, we talk about it in our oils for the bedroom class because it's particularly good for getting you in the mood. So not only a happy mood, it gives you a happy mood, but it's good for getting you in the mood.
So it's spicy.
Best of all, it smells so yummy.
It does smell so good.
It's a really, really nice floral perfume, okay?
So, and can I say what's in it? Mm-hmm. We've got a list here. So geranium, jasmine.
So remember, you'll see geranium in a lot of the blends for women, okay?
Yeah.
And it's the same with jasmine. Ylang-ylang because of the balancing, the female and masculine energies.
Yep. Now, in terms of other stuff, it's got Idaho blue spruce in there, which is interesting.
Another balancing oil.
Yep. Which is also good for blokes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. It's got clary sage. It's got royal Hawaiian sandalwood. It's got vetiver, coriander, orange. It's got spearmint, sage, and hinoki.
Yes.
Did I mention bergamot? It's got bergamot.
But all those florals, so your ylang-ylang, bergamot, jasmine, geranium, they're all what give this, it's an amazing floral scent. So if you are looking for an all-natural perfume that is not going to mess with your hormones because it doesn't contain any endocrine disrupting chemicals. So for those of you who know, I'm passionate about getting rid of perfumes because women who spray them on their neck undoubtedly end up with thyroid issues because of the endocrine disrupting chemicals being sprayed straight onto their thyroid. But the other thing is, even when you get it into your bloodstream, if it doesn't damage your thyroid, it actually, the phthalates, they actually mess up your hormones and cause you to have all kinds of hormone problems. So Instead, switch to a natural perfume, and Lady Sclareol is perfect. You can even pop a roller on the top of it or make up your own roller, whatever you want to do with it. It is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful oil.
We'll see you next time round.